8 News is taking action tonight, uncovering officers removed from the job.
Yeah, the number of cops pulled from policing for dishonesty or excessive force is growing right here in Virginia. 8 News investigator Carrie O'Brien has been digging into this story for us. And Carrie, what have you learned?
Well, Eric, Dana, that is true. We first reported on this back in the summer, and we have now found several officers here in Central Virginia are no longer policing. Part of this is due to a new law cracking down on misconduct from behind the badge, although we've also found some hiccups with the rollout of the new law.
More and more police officers kicked off the force here in Virginia. According to the Virginia Department of Criminal Justice Services master list, 146 officers have been decertified as of mid-January, meaning they're currently not allowed to serve as a law enforcement officer in the Commonwealth. 46 officers added to the list in just the past 6 months. More than half of the 146 officers decertified added since 2020, following a push for policing reforms in the wake of the murder of George Floyd, and a new law expanding the offenses for decertification to include excessive force and lying.
We need to make sure that only the best are serving.
Chesterfield Police Chief Colonel Jeffrey Katz placed 4 officers on the decertification list in 2021 and confirms they are no longer with the department.
I would say that our list of 4 people that we have submitted is a representative example of us policing ourselves.
Katz spoke publicly last year about former officer Brandon Hyde, fired after an internal investigation revealed he solicited inappropriate photos from a 17-year-old girl.
This is a tough day for our community and for our department. Not because we arrested a former officer, but because we recognize that Mr. Hyde tarnished the badge we wear proudly.
Among the other 3 Chesterfield cops decertified, 2 for untruthful statements.
When somebody's conduct indicates that they shouldn't be held in a position of public trust, we have a responsibility to police them out of our profession.
Also recently decertified, Hanover Sheriff's Deputy C. Ryan Payne, who was named Officer of the Year multiple times. A spokesperson for the Hanover Sheriff's Office told 8 News he can't speak to the specifics of the internal investigation. Public records list it was for reporting inaccuracies. Hanover confirms he no longer works for the department. And decertified in January, Richmond police officer Richard Chianapi, who told 8 News how excited he was to join the department in 2017.
Feels great.
But last week, the officer pled no contest to felony animal cruelty charges after fatally shooting his fiance's dog and then lying about it to police. In a statement, Richmond police say Chianapi has been placed on administrative leave. He remains on administrative leave as the criminal process continues, which is where some say there are issues with the rollout of the new law. Each department seems to handle decertification and employment differently.
They may have been well-intentioned, but they were not thought out well.
Chianapi and others on the list have yet to have their due process. In addition, officers have a right to appeal and possibly get their certification back.
So that has some officers in limbo while their name is made public. The Criminal Justice Services Board could find the police agency got it wrong, and the officer could go back to policing. Carrie O'Brien, 8 News.